Hello everyone, today I will show you how to archive Reels on Instagram. And here's how it is done. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device by tapping its icon on your home screen. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. On your profile page, you will see all your posts, including Reels, displayed in a grid. To find the reel you want to archive, tap on the Reels tab, which looks like a small film reel icon just above your photo grid. Now, browse through your reels and select the one that you want to archive by tapping on it to open it. With the reel open, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. In the menu, tap on Archive. Your reel will now be moved to your Archive section, where it will be hidden from your profile but still saved in your account. To view your archive reels, go back to your profile page and tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Archive. In the Archive section, you will see all your archive posts, including reels. You can review them anytime and choose to make them public again by tapping on the reel and selecting Show on Profile from the options. And that is everything you need to know about how to archive reels on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.